Good evening, ladies and gents, back with another Leonardo video. This time we're going to be looking at the brand new feature. This is style reference. This came in the last couple of days, and if you are a marketer, if you are looking at making consistent scenes or characters, if you are looking at making something that has consistency, then you are going to be very interested in this. Now, you need to be a paid user to be able to use this. You cannot use this currently as a free user, so you must have at least the tier 1 subscription. But going on to image generation at the top here, going into this will now actually allow us to do it. What we need to do is go into the image guidance box here. This will be off by default. I am going to just show you what I've just been doing. At the minute, I've been using a generated picture of two people in an office, which I actually made earlier. I then changed the type to style reference, and I have had a play around with this already. Now, I have tested the high, the ultra, the max, and these are the examples that I actually got from it. I have to say I'm really impressed by this. So this was the original style reference, this one here, and this is the high. So my prompt for this was people working on a computer on a beach and using this as a style reference. You can definitely tell it has really focused on this guy here and has made sure he is part of the picture. Most of the pictures actually do have the female in as well, which is quite cool. This was the high. This is the max, or the ultra, sorry, which is the next setting. Again, they are... Yep, you can still tell it's definitely kind of him in there. That seems to be the real kind of focus point for the style reference. And this was the max setting. Again, really focused on this guy here. You can tell that he is clearly in each of these. So really useful if you are kind of using consistent characters across consistent kind of or kind of marketing a consistent character in different scenes and everything like this, or it could also be used for different things like colors and stuff like this. So I'm going to go back into this. I am going to actually change. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to put a new one in. I'm going to put quite a colorful one in as well. I might actually just use a sunset one that I have been making earlier. Just going to put that as my my style reference. Generations. I'm now going to actually put my guy in here, and what I'm going to do is actually change this to edge to image, because what this will allow me to do is actually find the edges on this, and this will be kind of the style of it. This will be kind of the picture it's going to use. I'm still going to have people working on a computer on a beach, although I'm going to just change that to a man working on on the beach. So exactly the same prompt that I've been doing. I've got this as photoreal cinematic at the minute, using this as a style reference, this as edge to image. Now this should bring up him pretty much in this style. Let's have a look. So then here we are 40 seconds later, exactly what I kind of thought was going to happen. It has used this guy and this kind of setting, but has pushed it into that style of the sunset and everything. You definitely tell the colors from that out there. This has actually really kind of picked out this as well. Obviously, if I wanted to change this up a little bit, if I wanted to give the Leonardo a little bit of wiggle room, I could actually change the strength down here down to say something like 40, so it would actually change the prompt up a little bit. I'm going to just generate this now whilst I'm actually talking through these ones, but you can see as a 1 style strength, this has really just pulled that image and put it into that style. Really good for things like marketing, advertising and stuff like this, where again you want consistent scenes across different styles. Really cool way of doing this, and I think the kind of possibilities for this are going to be pretty much endless. I'm going to really start exploring this personally, but I'm so impressed by this. Like I said, this is the newest thing that's actually come out into the Leonardo over the last couple of days. It is quite widely known already, but not a lot of people have actually had a chance to play around with this yet so far. I was part of the Leonardo Discord server yesterday, where we actually had a bit of a stage show about this as well, which was pretty cool. This time the style reference, or the edge to image, I've actually changed down to 0.40, and what it's done is actually kept the premise of the picture, which I really like. But as you can tell, it's changed a few things on the computers. It's kind of changed the layout a little bit from the original style, or the original image really impressed though, so good with this. Honestly, again, there's so many options that you could be doing with this. We were shown yesterday by Tom, one of the moderators on the Leonardo Discord, that he was actually putting dragons into space but following a style reference, making sure that they maintain the same consistent color and things like this. Again, so many opportunities in terms of marketing for this. I'm going to be very excited to see where this kind of goes. As always with Leonardo as well, once we actually find a picture we really do like, we can go straight into motion and we can actually start making this kind of animated and things as well, which is really cool. I'm just going to get this one going just because I love animated stuff. But I'm going to leave this video here. It's quite a quick one, to be honest, just a quick kind of deep dive into style referencing. If you want a deeper video of this, please do let me know and I will definitely make one for you. Please hit that subscribe button if you are wanting to learn more about Leonardo as well. I have a series of Leonardo shorts coming out very soon, just really exploring the program, but in very nice, easy to consume bite-sized chunks of 30 seconds to a minute. So let me know if there are any subjects in particular of Leonardo you want me to cover in those. But thank you very much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I hope to catch you in the world of AI.